From a supplier's perspective, Qimtek's about opening doors. We target production buyers that spend £100,000 or more on outsourced parts. But with that, there's a problem for you as a supplier. That problem is they will already have their supply chain, so they've already got their manufacturing partnerships in the go. If you were to phone up as a supplier and ask them for a job, the chances are you'll have to make a lot of phone calls before someone will give you a chance. Sorry buddy, I've already got 5 machinists and I'm happy with them. If you're looking at Qimtek and you're seeing 10 offs, 20 offs, 50 offs, it will be because the buyer's got an opening for you to impress them.
We generate approximately 1,500 plus engineering projects a year. They're from buyers that are spending £5 a year. They're from buyers that are spending millions of pounds a year. They're all looking for different size suppliers.
Through Qimtek, we found quite a lot of business, a lot of good leads, and a lot of partner companies that we now supply to on a regular basis, and that's down to Qimtek having a very open book way of connecting potential buyers with suppliers.
We might get that source of income from areas that we'd never even be looking at. We log into their portal and we can pick up potential customers who are looking for the type of products that we will manufacture. We'll also get emails from Qimtek or phone calls to say, hey guys, we've got this company here who we think are right up your street.
If you're a supplier, you know who you are actually quoting. You're not quoting just a job with an anonymous buyer, because some platforms, that's what they do. You are actually quoting a particular buyer, you know who that is. So by doing a little bit of research, you can think, okay, I can win this small job, but I got a foot in there.
This is your chance to kick open that door by helping that buyer out. Sure, it might only be worth £1,000, but we already told you on the project that the buyer spends £100,000 on machine parts.
And so many of the jobs that we do get are kind of do a small batch first, and then that will lead to something bigger.
One significant project that we found through Qimtek was the Crossrail opportunity. So that was with a company who basically made ducting systems, and then through Qimtek and negotiation backwards and forwards, I could establish that actually they were looking for these quite large 4-metre cubed fabrications for Crossrail. And that project ended up to being worth £350,000.